Welcome back viewers. In today's video, we will install Mate desktop on EndeavourOS Artemis. So let us start. So this is the login screen and you can see the budget desktop that we installed and reviewed in the last two videos is there, and the GNOME desktop is there because GNOME desktop was pulled because we installed the Cinnamon desktop and the budget, both are based on GNOME technologies. That's why the GNOME desktop has reinstalled itself. So now what we will do is we will first log in into the budget desktop. Then let us go back to the web page that gives us the guide to install the Mate desktop. So you have to copy this command sudo pacman space dash capital S mate extra system config printer and blueman. Blueman is the Bluetooth manager for Mate desktop. And now you come back to this machine, that is virtual machine I am telling, and now you just close this welcome screen. Let us maximize the desktop. Open the terminal and paste the command. Enter the sudo password. So there are 14 members in the group Mate repository community: Kaja, Marco, Mate backgrounds, Mate control center, Mate desktop, Mate icon theme, Mate menus, Mate notifications, daemon, Mate panel, Mate polkit, Mate session manager, Mate settings daemon, and the Mate themes and Mate user guide. So you have to enter a selection. So if you enter the numbers of the different members of the group, then only those members will be installed. So you can have a partial install of the Mate desktop, or what we can say minimal install of the Mate desktop, but we will go with the default installation which covers all these 14 members of the group Mate. So just enter. Now there are 23 members in the group Mate extra. So the list is here. You can install anyone or all of these members of the group Mate extra. So we will install all. So let us have a full installation of Mate desktop. So total download size is 191.96 MB and total install size is 848.14 MB. So let us confirm the installation, and now we wait for the installation to complete. After this installation is complete, I will stop the video here. In the next video, we will first remove the GNOME desktop as well as the budgie desktop, so that we can have a clean application menu in the Mate desktop. Otherwise, the GNOME and budgie applications will be seen in the Mate desktop. Of course, the configs will also be disturbed for the Mate desktop. Let us have a clean experience of Mate desktop. So I think in the next video we will uninstall both GNOME and budgie desktop. It will take 5 minutes to install this. Mate desktop is quite light, and just like XFC, the developments are slow. Not many new packages are pushed, so you get a bug-free experience, and it is very stable with minimal resource usage. It generally consumes less resources than the GNOME desktop, and it is equal to around KDE desktop or little less than the KDE desktop. So if KDE desktop of say Debian is taking around 700 or 600 MBs, then Mate desktop will work at around 500 to 550 MB. And GNOME desktop will consume 800 MB in Debian. So similar in all the Linux distros, Mate desktop will consume less or equal memory and resources as compared to KDE, and far lesser than the GNOME desktop, and also lesser than the Cinnamon desktop. So all the 63 packages have been downloaded, and now the package integrity test and other things are going on. Now the installation has also started. It is very fast. It is quite light desktop. EOM is the light of Mate application. So we are done with the installation of Mate desktop in EndeavourOS Artemis. I will stop the video here. In the next video, we will uninstall GNOME and Budgie desktops. So, and then later in the second video from this video, we will do a review of the Mate desktop that we installed today. So we will have a clean experience of the Mate desktop, and all the Budgie and GNOME applications will be removed. Their configs will also be removed. So we can have a very good experience of Mate desktop. See you in the next video.